Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, मैं हूं आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अली धारशी and a friend too. Today in this video we have some work on Webull as promised. I am showing you the platform, how it works, and a little bit of options as well for you guys. Someone asked me, I am here with it. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel so everyone can get the information I'm providing to you guys and also for everyone. Stay tuned, and I have something more for you. As you guys know, I use Webull for all my stock journey, all my trading. I'll show it to you today how to use Webull in a very fast manner. I hope you guys like it. Let's dig in. So this is my Webull account. As you can see, the top layer shows the top area shows how the indexes are going up. S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and this is where I get my initial information how the markets are going on, and you can see the indices all over the world. This is the global chart which is provided by Webull, and you can see how the markets are going all over the world. These are the screeners, as you can say. These are the top gainers list. You can see all of these top gainers in the market previous day, and the current one going in the same day also. You can the same way you can see the top losers also, and this is something nice. You can learn and you can see how fast the things are moving in each day, what stock is performing good, what stock is not performing good, and this is where I come to see all these. And then these are the 52 highs, 52 week high, what stock is performing well, AVO, RG, XT, LB. These are the things which you will come to learn this week, and then in 52 weeks which has gone higher and how the things are going on. Then there is a screener for hot stocks. You can try and see, these are absolutely good. And then there is marginable stocks also, which is not recommended by me. I don't use margin. I don't support margins. So I don't want to work in margins at all. This is something I really don't like, and I don't want you to go into that as well. Now, if you see on this part, this is the calendar and the IPO. Earning calendar is coming in. This is showing earnings and stuff like that. Then there is dividend, how when the dividend will be given. Then there are stock splits where split dates has been given out, and then these are IPO calendars. So this is something which you can look up to. Then there is news, which is very important because market runs on speculations and newses and on fundamentals as well. So sometimes if you are pretty equipped with things happening, like whatever the news is coming in, you will see different areas where the news are coming from. Reuters, Dow Jones, Benzanga, all these companies, they give newses, and this platform has it on immediately. You can just see it like that. And then there is a little bit of overview how the market was going on. That you can see it industry wise. This is the complete analysis of the industries. Then you click on the industries, software and IT, like that, and you will see how the market was performing for all these these tech plays. It didn't went well, but the banking sector did pretty good on Friday. And then semiconductor, they are facing a lot of pressure. Then pharmaceuticals, and you name it, and the list is going on and on and on. And you can do your research and work like this, and you can understand the market work like this. You will know which sector is going on good, which sector is not going on good. And then there are different ways of doing things. You can also use this industry analysis on day one, like software and IT, banking, and you can see how things performed, which stocks were good in that particular industry, and how things were going on. So this is what I use on day-to-day basis, and I like it a lot. If you come over here, this is the stock part. This is a stock chart main, where you can do your charts, where you can do your analysis, where you can see different companies, like this is GM. This is a 6-month chart right now going on. This is the RSI. This is one of my strategies. I use RSI. Then there is volume, and I use one more, which I'll add a little bit later on, in down the line. and you can add up your own stocks, you make your own watch list, and you can see them on regular basis, how they are doing, what they are what is happening with them. You can see the order book too, a level 2 order book, and you will understand what is being bought and what is being sold, how the company is performing, how things are happening. And this is the way I usually work on, and I would recommend you guys to have Webull. The link is down below. If you buy, if you use my link, you will get two stocks worth up to $1,850, and this is absolutely brilliant. You get something, I get one stock which will support me also at times, and this is how things will be rolling on. Hope, yeah, I really hope you will like this. And next step, I'll bring in how to do options. As I told you about options, let's see how I do it over Webull. Come over here, and let's see. If you see this platform of Webull, this is particularly pretty nice because you get to know everything over in one box. You click a chart, you click a stock, and the chart would appear, and then you will see the RSI, the volume, the MACD, the analysis, and the trend lines and how things are happening. I've also added the Bollinger Band as well. This gives me my strategy play. This is how I go by things. I sell things. I go for options. This is how I do it. I go with Bollinger, deviation two deviations. Then I check the RSI. I see the volume, and then I see the MACD. This is how I plan my plays. But let's take a step further and let's talk about options. Now, this is the option chart. How to do this? A lot of people have asked me how to do this. If you are a layman, you don't know much about options. There are so many things involved. There are so many aspects to look at. I usually play as long calls and puts. That's it. I don't go in other directions. Let me show you something pretty interesting over here. This is one of the option calculators I used to use, and I still use sometimes. And one of my friends, they are also pretty into it, and they use these option calculators. Now, when I came and landed on this page for the first time, this option profit calculator taught me a lot. These are the basic options. You can see the long call, long put, covered call, naked put. This is the basic. Then these are spreads: credit spread, call spread, put spread. Then there are advanced, iron condor, butterfly, collar, and then there are customs which you can make on your own. How to do options? Options have so many strategies a person can think of and how to work on it. But to be very precise with my investments, I don't go much out on playing options that much. But whenever I do, I am sticking by to my analogies and my technicals, and then only I buy options and I play options. But let's come back to Webull side, and this is I'll pick up Neo for this, and because Neo, we all know that will be doing good in days to come. Now, what are the basic essence I look in a particular stock when I want to buy an option or when I want to invest in option? Firstly, I see the timeline, the time decay, which is the most important aspect of an option call. Because if you have lesser time, you do get it lesser value. Like this option play, it's a long call. I have selected call here. These are called single options and nothing more, and this only has 6 days to expire. Now these all you days, you can see these are the days left to expire an option. Now, an option you purchase, you get the right to buy 100 shares. One block of an option, it contains 100 shares, and you have the right to buy or have the right to sell it. Now, it is all governed by the number of days, how many number of days you are working at. What are you looking at? The more number of days you have with yourself, the more expensive the options are. So you have to understand when you are investing in something, if you are putting the investment for a certain time, it can grow double, triple, exuberantly. It can go 10x also. We have seen in the past that the way GameStop has made millionaires how they happened with options. Mostly most of them have worked with options, and they played it pretty smartly, and they made millions out of it. But we have to be very diligent. These kind of plays can be very ruining. Also, it can give you extreme deficit. You can lose all your money, but you can also make the same amount of money you will be losing. So it's a 50-50 kind of a risk. If you take the risk, you might hit a six. If you don't understand a six, it means a home run. We people from South Asian countries, we understand the six pretty much better because we play cricket, and a six is a ballpark. So if you are playing an option and you hit a ballpark, you are absolutely on the high ends of the line, and you can make a lot of money on that. Now, understanding this, I will show you how I do my calculations, because a lot of people, they don't know how to calculate Greeks, how to calculate delta, gamma, beta, theta, and then rho. So these are all plays which you have to understand first before going into anything or buying anything. Sorry. Now, understanding this, I have something very interesting for you. The website which I showed you. This website is pretty interesting. Oh, I'm so sorry. I opened the wrong box over here. This is the one. Okay, option profit calculator. You all can use it. It's freely available. Now, as I said, I only work with these two options: call and put, long calls. So let's find how I calculate, and I want you guys to calculate also. It's pretty easy, pretty nice. Over there at Webull, we were looking at Neo. 13 days left, but here you will learn something else also. We will type in over here Neo. We will get a price over here. It's loading and loading and loading, and 45.49 is the price currently, which is being pulled up by this system of option profit calculator. And we will come over here and we will see what is the price. 45.50 is the price of Neo at Webull. So it's pretty much close. So we will select an option. We have to select an option. Now this chart, choose an option. This chart shows you completely the timelines which is available to you. Then there is 12 March, which is 6 days. This is 13 days, and then so on and on and on. And you can select a price in between. Now this is a bid price, this is a mid price, and this is the ask price. Normally this price is for buying it, and this price is for selling it. A person who is having the option is selling it. Now these are the strike prices. I hope you guys understand what the strike price is. Strike price is particularly if a stock reaches at a certain price and it strike this price, this amount, your contract, you are trying to come into, you are saying that this option will be at a certain price when you buy this, and it can lose money, it can gain money also. So these are put columns, which is bearish. These are call columns, which are bullish. Now the price which we had is 45.49 over here. So we want the price to, as we are taking a long call, we want price to increase. So as you can see, these shadow lines, this is out of the money and this is in the money. This is out of the money and this is in the money. This is in the money and this is out of the money. Now we are playing long calls over here. If I say, let me select a play of 1st April. 1st April, I feel that with the news is with things happening around and might be possible things changing, what if I select the strike price of $55, which is 1.14 in the mid, and I take one option which gives me right to buy 100 share if the strike price is by $55 at 1st April. Now you can do two things in these kind of situations. Either take one contract or two contract, and let me show you how the profitability is calculated. You don't have to worry about anything. Just punch in these numbers and you will see a chart down below. This chart will show you the probability of profit and loss. All the reds which you see is the loss, and all the greens which you see is profit. The lighter the green, the lower the profit. The higher the green, maximum the profit. Now if my assumption is correct, and I have taken the price of price for 1st April, $55. If that price hits by 22nd, I'll be up approximately $263 on this one, other than my investment, which was of $114. This is the total which I'll be earning is $377 minus the entry cost, which is like a nominal price we are paying to buy the option, 114. The profit we are making is $263 on this particular contract. If we want to exercise the contract, we have the right to exercise it and buy the options at the price of buy the shares at the price of $55 each share, which will be 100 shares for you. That is $5,500. But if the price, if you don't want to buy the options, I mean the shares, you have whole right to sell it out and get your profit and be on the side and move to another place. This is how option works. Kindly let me know if you guys want any more information on this, how to play this, and what information you guys need. Comment below, ask me questions. I will try to be as honest as possible. I want you all to make some money. The stimulus is out. One of the good news is, kindly spend it diligently. Those who have big families, watch out for your families, take care of yourself. Hopefully I'll be here soon again with my stock picks. This was something very informative I want to share with you guys. This is how we play, this is how we'll be playing in future. Kindly let me know, how do you like it? Like, subscribe and share my channel, and hopefully see you soon. Take care. Good night.